Can the deepest scars become the foundation for healing? Strength Beyond Scars is Francisca Akum Fobeteh's powerful testimony of endurance and renewal. Blending memoir, education, and empowerment, she shares her journey through domestic violence and the faith-fueled resilience that led her to rebuild her life. With honesty in heart, she offers readers not only her story, but tools for safety, healing, and hope. This is more than a book. It's a lifeline for survivors, families, and advocates determined to break the silence, restore dignity, and discover strength beyond every scar.